Even after imposing so many tariffs, guess what? The US government has shut down. But why does the world's richest country run out of money? See, here's the deal. The US fiscal year runs from October 1 to September 30, and to operate, the federal government needs an appropriation bill to be passed by both the chambers of Congress. But abhi Congress kya hoti hai? See, it's just like Indian Parliament, which is divided into Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The US Congress is also divided into two houses. First is the Senate and the second is the House of Representatives. But यहाँ पे twist ये है कि Indian Parliament में there are multi-party system, and in US Congress there are two major parties. First is the Democratic and the second is the Republicans. अब क्या होता है कि October 1st की midnight को Congress missed the deadline to pass the appropriation bill. इसका मतलब है कि there is no budget, and if there is no budget, then there is no money, and if there is no money, the government will automatically shut down. Therefore, this isn't about America running out of cash. Rather, it's about politics. What happened was Republicans demanded a clean budget and Democrats demanded healthcare subsidies and social program protections. Nobody backed out. Result: total gridlock. So blame isn't on Donald Trump alone, rather both sides share it. But its impact is huge. That is, more than 8 lakh federal employees will be sent home with unpaid leave. That means there is no work and no salary for them. Health agencies like CDC, that is Center for Disease Control and Prevention, will lose 60 to 70% of its staff. Air traffic inspectors will be grounded. An economy will be bleeding $400 million per day. So the next time hashtag shutdown trends on Twitter, remember it's not US went broke, it's because Congress couldn't agree on spending. Political strategy or political failure? What do you think?